Hey everyone, this is Dean with DCA Crypto. Got some major news coming for you today. This could be the biggest week in crypto history, so I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and let's jump into it. Today we're going to be covering what could be the most historical and biggest week in crypto history up to date. I'm going to jump into a few different things in today's video that could be the most bullish thing that could possibly happen for us in crypto. So let's jump into it here. All right, currently we are at 2.748 trillion, almost pushing 3 trillion market cap here pretty soon. If we have Bitcoin and Ethereum climb up much more over the next couple days or few weeks here, we could be getting above that 3 trillion market cap, which would put us right back at the all-time high for the overall crypto market cap. So what's going on with crypto right now? There's a couple different things. It's not just the Ethereum ETFs. There's some really big news coming up here. So let's jump into the charts here. So if we look at Bitcoin, we did shoot up to 72,000. We got a little bit of a rejection here, or just a cool off possibly. So we'll have to see what happens here. And I'm on the weekly time frame. We are printing a candle above this 50 EMA here, which is a very bullish sign if this happens. Like I said before, we need to get above this 71,000 level here and make that our support level. If we can do that, we're going to probably take the next leg up, and we're hopefully on the way to do that. And if we get some good news today with what I'm going to share with you, this could push us above there. If we jump into ETH's chart here, they had the news with the ETF yesterday. Basically, this rumor went from like a 3% chance of approval up to like a 75% chance of approval. The SEC is gathering last-minute information from all of these spot ETF providers and exchanges to find out from them, I guess, some last-minute information they need to approve the ETF. So they're actually taking into consideration that they might approve it as soon as tomorrow on Thursday. So we'll have to see if that happens or not. But right now, ETH shot up from like 3,000 all the way up to 3,800. And we'll have to see where this is at by the time this video comes out, because I am recording this last night, so keep that in mind. But there's some big bullish news today I'm going to jump into here. So we'll cover the Ethereum ETFs first, and they said the SEC is moving closer to approving a highly anticipated spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund as soon as this week. And according to sources close to the commission, the SEC and its chairman Gary Gensler are taking cues from recent court rulings and prior guidance on Ethereum futures ETFs to grant 9 issuers permission to offer products that track the daily price of the world's second largest cryptocurrency. They're saying while the approval isn't certain, the SEC has been signaling they're warming up to the idea of at least partially greenlighting these products as soon as Thursday, which is the deadline for the approved the so-called 19B4 applications filed by CBOE Exchange. And they requested the spot ETF from Van Eck and ARK Investments in partnership with 21 Shares. And so we'll have to see if this gets approved tomorrow or not. I'm hoping it does. It's looking more promising. A few days ago, they were saying it was like almost no chance of it. Now they're saying, wait a minute, maybe it is happening here. So we'll have to see what's going to happen here. So this has pushed Ethereum's price up quite a bit. The 25% move for Ethereum is the largest move that it's had in the 2-day period in over 2 years. If we jump into this article here, this is actually the most bullish crypto news that we've ever had, period. Bigger than the Bitcoin spot ETFs, bigger than the Ethereum spot ETFs. If this bill gets approved today, we have to pray that this gets approved. If this gets approved and Biden signs off on it, this will set the precedence for crypto in the United States and make it so the SEC no longer has full control over it as far as considering it as security. I'll read a little bit of this information today, but we really have to hope that this bill passes. It's looking promising that it could pass, but we'll see what happens today. So 8 House Democrats have joined in to sign a memo arguing in favor of this largely Republican-driven bill to establish U.S. regulations over the crypto markets. The U.S. House is set for final vote on the legislation today, and they're saying that the House of Representatives is on a verge of a vote that is widely expected to approve comprehensive cryptocurrency legislation with a bipartisan support, which is a major milestone, and several Democrats there are pushing their colleagues to vote yes. So let's hope that they do. So they've got at least 8 Democrats that are agreeing to this, and they're pushing others to agree to this. It says, as Democrats, we feel this is a crucial opportunity to regulate the digital asset markets. And they wrote in a memo Tuesday asking for support from their colleagues. This should not be a partisan issue. And so they're joining together on this. This looks promising. Let's hope that this gets passed. So what does this bill do? That's what I'm going to try to cover here for you guys here. So basically what this bill will do is it'll kind of take the power away from the SEC, and it'll make it easier for cryptos to be classified as commodities instead of securities. And that'll make them fall mostly under the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, instead of the SEC's ruling. And they are more favorable to crypto. It'll also lay down clear guidance, at least a foundation of clear guidance for crypto and what is considered a commodity, and basically make it easier for crypto industry to be in the United States and thrive here, rather than to be pushed out of the United States. Now, hopefully this passes today, and hopefully Biden signs off on it. He has threatened to veto it, but that was before they've had as many Democrats come on board recently. And in the past, I guess there's been similar, not crypto bills, but other bills where Biden has threatened to veto it, but when then more Democrats came into support of it, and it sounds like Nancy Pelosi may support this today as well. Hopefully she does. And if they support it, they're thinking that they could sway Biden's support as well, and hopefully have him sign off on it. So let's cross our fingers and pray and hope that they pass this bill, because this will be extremely bullish for crypto. And it'll also likely, hopefully, open up more exchanges to open up in the U.S. as well, instead of having the SEC crack down on all these exchanges. So that'll hopefully open up some doors for us. It'll also make it easier for NFT projects to thrive in the United States. So this could be very bullish. So let's see what happens today, and hopefully we have some answers, and hopefully it's good news. But that's pretty much what I wanted to cover for you guys in today's video. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm hoping this passes today. We'll have to see. And maybe by the time this video comes out, or maybe by the time you're watching this, we've got our answer. Hopefully it's positive. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping for this, guys. But this would be the most bullish news for crypto ever. And this could drive us into a big bull run if this gets approved. So let's hope it gets approved. And if it doesn't, it's at least a positive sign that we're moving in the right direction. And hopefully if it doesn't get approved now, it gets approved in the near future. So that's pretty much what I got for this video, guys. I appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.